In this video, I share my reflections on how wisdom lies within us, and I compare my cold waterfall plunges to a first kiss. Unlike knowledge, which is acquired, wisdom emerges slowly and intuitively. Join me as I compare how this philosophy influences my life, embracing a mindful and patient approach to growth. Sometimes I think knowledge is something that's put inside of you, and my time in nature is understanding that wisdom is already inside of me. Spending time in nature has allowed me to be gentle and to be patient. It's a very different way because it's not about the ego mind. Instead, it's about allowing and accepting and savoring this moment. This feeling and understanding you are just where you are. And understanding it is at a pace that I am moving. Sometimes I think it's like a romance. Romance is slow, feeling and not thinking. Like a first kiss, slow process and using my senses. And so it's a different way of moving towards something because you can't grasp it with your ego mind. You have to just allow it and savor it. So I get asked a lot, how long do I stay in the water? And it's not my way to be timing. My senses are signaling when it's right to leave. No timings, just feeling. And it's like I'm romancing it out of inside of me. And it's really beautiful because it slows me down, and a nice way of kind of getting in touch with knowing.